Hi students, welcome to my channel Thoughts of Physics.
In the video series of current electricity, in this class, I am going to explain the derivations of the expressions. Those are current density, resistivity and conductivity. Now, so already in the previous classes, we obtained the expression for drift velocity. So from that, we have taken the magnitude of drift velocity Vd. Vd is the drift velocity is equal to capital E tau by m. In this expression, small e is the charge of electron, capital E that is electric field, tau is the relaxation time. The time interval between two successive collisions of the free electrons with the fixed ion, that is called relaxation time, and m is the mass of the electron. This is the expression for the magnitude of drift velocity. Now, so in the last class we have obtained the relation between the current and drift velocity, that is I is equal to NEAVD. In this expression, small n is the number of free electrons per unit volume, small e is the charge of the electron, a is the area of cross section and Vd is the drift velocity. Now, so NEA as it is, let us write, and in place of that Vd, let us substitute the expression E tau by m. In place of Vd, I have taken E tau by m. So next, so now here in this expression E into E, that gives E square. Now I is equal to n into E square, remaining as it is we have written capital A tau E over m. This is a expression for electric current. Next, now let us take this A, that is area of cross section of the conductor, this side, it gives I over A, I by A. That is equal to, after we are taking A this side, we left with n E square tau E by m. Now, here I by A, it can be written as J. The J is called current density. The current per unit area is called current density. Now, so it can be written as I by A can be written as J, that is equal to n E square tau capital E by m. Now, this is the expression for current density. The first quantity we have taken, current density. That is the expression for current density. Let it be equation number 1. Now, so already we have discussed in the previous discussions the alternative form of Ohm's law, that is J is equal to sigma into E. Sigma is the conductivity and J is the current density. Capital E is the electric field. Now let it be equation number 2. So if you compare the equations 1 and 2, so both the equations are current density equations. Now if you compare the equations, in place of sigma, in the second equation in place of sigma, in the first equation NE square tau by m is there. E as it is there in both the equations. So in place of sigma we can find NE square tau by m. So this is the expression for conductivity sigma. Now already we know that the reciprocal of the resistivity is the conductivity. Now rho, the resistivity rho is equal to 1 by sigma. Sigma is the conductivity. That is equal to 1 by sigma conductivity. Already we got the expression NE square tau by m. Now if you reciprocate the resistivity expression m by NE square tau. This is the expression for resistivity of the conductor.
If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. For latest updates, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.